Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I'm Frank here at Woodzman Adventures. Out today riding out in the desert, and I am wearing the new MSR Legend gear. So this is some super cool gear right here, guys. So I wore this today coming over here about probably 10-15 miles highway, and these things are super comfortable. I do like the airflow that it gets. These get some real good airflow, the jersey and the pants both. So let me explain some of the features about this MSR Legend gear. So as you see, I am wearing the MSR Legend pants in military green, also the MSR Legend jersey in military green. The gloves I am wearing are the MSR LaSalle gloves. These are really great gloves. So what makes these different than normal riding pants like I've worn before is these are actually the MSR Legend Offroad gear, and what makes that different is the durability of these pants, made for the off-road scenarios you're going to be riding in. Also, the ventilation. This thing has excellent ventilation. We have the zipper on the front right here. Zips up, you open that up, and then right here you have an exhaust vent, so you can close or open that. It also has some gussets in here for durability in case you are to crash. You're not going to stretch and rip that open. Also, the pockets on these are super nice. Very good sized pockets. You can fit your hand right in there. Really strong. They're the same way. They have like a little gusset right here, and that's so if you was to crash or anything and you catch something, it's not going to tear that apart right there, so it makes it really durable. Another cool thing that I like about these is you can get these in the boot style or the over the boot style, which I have here. Now, I want the over the boot style for riding out here in the dirt and the sand and the grit, because the in boot style, I tend to get sand and dirt, grit, and stuff down inside my boot. Or with this over the boot style, everything's going to fall off and not get down inside my boot and make it uncomfortable. So as far as the opening for the boot, this has large openings right here. They just snap loose. Then it has Velcro. Unzip it, and it goes up really high. So you can see there, plumb above my boot. So I've had some before. Trying to get them over the boot is really difficult. This is so easy because that is such a large enclosure right there. You can just unzip it that far, take your boots on and off, zip these right back over your boots, and it just works great. As you can see, I'm actually doing this while on the bike, zipping it up. And then I'll just take my buckle here and snap it. And then you just swipe up to seal the Velcro down. As far as flexibility, these things flex really good because they have these stretch panels. So you got the stretch panel across here, which actually goes all the way around the back. So that way with these stretch panels, it makes it where you got lots of movement. They flex and stretch right there, and it's not bunching up on you. It feels real comfortable. Now, one thing to note on these, this is true to size. So order the size that you would normally wear. So one thing to remember is Rocky Mountain ATV has the fit guarantee. So if you order it, it's the wrong size, for one time, they will actually pay shipping both ways. You can ship it back. They'll ship you the right size, and they want to make sure that you're getting in the gear and you're not having problems with it. It's going to fit good, and you're going to be happy with your purchase. The cool part about the jersey is it's a relaxed fit, so instead of being real tight, it's not overly tight. You could actually wear a chest protector under this if you wanted to. And then also right here in front, you can see there was some holes right here. We got some venting, so air coming straight in can go in. And actually, like I said, when I came over here on the highway, I felt that air. So it worked like a champ. So then we also have this big mesh panel that starts up here, goes all the way down and all the way down inside the pant. And that is to help this jersey breathe, and I'm telling you, it does a great job. So what makes this Legend gear the off-road version is you have this heavy-duty abrasion-resistant fabric right here. So if you're going through a lot of brush or stuff, you're catching on limbs, this is going to help protect it from ripping and tearing. I have had that problem in the past with other jerseys, and I actually came through here, and you can see this mesquite brush. So I rubbed a few limbs on the way in here, and I thought, oh no, I may have messed up my new jersey. Actually, it did nothing to it. And the normal jersey that I had, it would already start pulling strings out just by catching that mesquite, because that mesquite has stickers on it, little thorns, and it just grabs you. But so far, so good. So MSR knows that you're going to take this gear. It's off-road gear. You're going to take it out. You're going to abuse it. And that's why they made it so tough, and that's what makes it off-road specific gear. But the cool part is you're still getting lightweight, breathable fabrics in the areas where you're not so worried about scuffing it up or hitting limbs or brush or something. You also do have on this extended length in the back to help you keep tucked in, because I have had a problem with them coming untucked in the back. This one tucks in far enough that it stays in. So also cool about the pants is you can cinch down the waist, so if you need to, you can pull this loose, pull it back, cinch this down tight, and then you also have a ratchet style buckle for the front of the pants and a zipper. So all I can say is one of the biggest things is this stretch fabric. You have it all the way from the groin area down around the back, and it makes it where these pants are so comfortable because you don't have the pants bunching up. They fit really good. So another cool thing is you can add hip armor. Now it don't come with them, but there is two different options you can choose from. You can get the black pad, or you can get the C3 level 1 D30 armor, and you can put that right inside there because it has the pockets built in for it. So it's cool that they give you that option. So as far as the back of the pants, you can see there's actually a large stretch panel here, and then there's also some more laser perforation back here. And then in the seat of the pant, if you can see it here, this is some 840 denier that is extremely durable. Now this whole construction here is made durable, so they will hold up against the abuse of the off-road riding that you're going to do. We also do have a couple pads right here on the side. Now keep in mind that they do offer this in two versions. They have the over the boot like I have here, and they also have the in the boot. So it's going to look exactly the same functionality, except for it does not have this. It was made to fit inside your boot. So also, if you want to check out these gloves, these are the MSR LaSalle gloves. I have actually been using these gloves now for a couple months. Absolutely love these gloves. They have not shown any wear yet. They flex good. They fit really good around the bars. They flex good for two finger or one finger clutch and brake. They have the padding on here, just really durable gloves. I also will have a link to these in the description below. So guys, that is the MSR Legend off-road gear. I absolutely love this stuff. So check out the link in the description. I will have a link to my Rocky Mountain ATV MC affiliate page where you can get these. Also, the LaSalle gloves. Thank you all for watching. God bless. Click that thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. Hit the bell icon so you'll be notified when I put out a new video. And we'll catch you all in the next adventure. Ride on.